To get an Instagram API key, follow these steps. Create a developer account. Go to the Metaphor developers website. Log in with your Facebook account and click Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a developer account. Create a new app. Click on My Apps, Create App. Select Consumer as the app type and click Next. Enter an app name, contact email, and associate it with a Facebook business account. Click Create App. Add Instagram Basic Display API. In your app dashboard, go to Add a Product. Find Instagram Basic Display and click Setup. Under Basic Display, scroll down and click Create New App. Configure App Settings. In App Settings, add an app icon and other required details. Under Valid OAuth Redirect URLs, enter the URL where users will be redirected after authentication. Get API credentials. Navigate to Instagram Basic Display. Basic Display User Token Generator. Generate an access token for API requests.